Under this video, I would like to make some small improvements to our HTML contact form, such as when the user will click on the send button and the form is validated, the name, email, subject and message fields will become empty. And also I would like to focus a bit on the info message that is displayed on the top to be removed after 3 seconds. So let's see how can we achieve this. So we're back to our contact component TS. Let's see what we can do here. So our main focus will be under the contact service send email corresponding method, since this will be the entry point for our send process. So over here, if we are able to send the email with success, we'll invoke the validating form reset method to basically empty all the fields in the contact form. And in order to achieve the 3 seconds info message visibility, we will use the set timeout method. And inside this method, let's do something like this. The info message will become empty, and let's set 3000 milliseconds the interval. And of course we can copy paste this functionality under the error side of our form interaction process. The data is saved, and we can do a quick test for this. So let's go with John Carter, the name, for the email johncarter@gmail.com, for the subject let's also make something more official. So let's reschedule the meeting, and for the message let's go with hi, I would like to reschedule the meeting for next week. Please let me know if it's possible, and thanks. Let's click on the send. You see that the form has been reset, and after 3 seconds that info message has been removed from the UI. And on the Gmail we were able to receive the email sent from the contact form in the UI. Now another thing that we need to focus on, a small improvement that I like to do, is that you see that if I click outside the contact form is hidden now, and we are not able to get back to it. So in order to fix this, we can use the closed event of our MDB model, and when the closed event is in place, we'll use the this frame model.show, so the contact dialog will always be shown to the user, even if he closes it by mistake or not. So this contact form, both front-end and back-end functionality is set in place using validation and Gmail email integration. Thank you for attendance, guys, and hope to see you on the next class.